Hi guys, I was gifted this wood screw insert set from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. So they are 1/4 by 20, 20 millimeter wood insert nuts and furniture screws. This is a organized and complete set. This does have washers that are carbon steel, and the screws are stainless steel. It is compartmentalized storage box, so you have everything organized here. And we also have the inserts here. Let me take one out to show it to you. All right, here's the screw. It is hex Allen's key there. And this is the wood screw insert. Now it does already come with the Allen's wrench that you need. And it comes with all of your screws now. So this is 30 sets of wood screws, washers, and the inserts here. So if you guys need a set like this, go ahead and get it. You're gonna love it. Thanks.